Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to fix USB 3.0 slow transfer speed in Windows 10 or 11. So to resolve this problem, click on Start, type CMD, right click on Command Prompt, run as administrator. Now here guys, you need to type this command msdt.exe space slash minus sign id space device diagnostic. So type this command. Once you type this command and enter, you will see this screen. So click on next, click on advanced and check this box, apply, repairs automatically, and then next. Now it will take some couple of minutes. Now follow the instruction which you see in this screen. Now guys, you will see troubleshooting has complete. Close it. Again click on start, type CMD, right click on command prompt, run as administrator. It will ask permissions, so click on yes. Now type here sfc space slash scan now. Now press enter. Now guys, it will take a couple of minutes, so I'm closing this video. And guys, once this process will be complete, restart your PC or laptop. So after restart, hopefully this issue will be fixed. Thanks for watching. Please comment this video useful for you or not.